What's up, y'all? So I'm always to the beauty supply store right now because I'm doing braids in my hair. This is my first time. Well, it's not my first time doing braids on me, but it's legit my first time doing it correctly. And I'm doing burnt orange braids, like the same color as my hair. So I'm really excited to do this. So yeah, come on the journey with me. I'm gonna show y'all when I go pick out the hair, and I'm gonna show y'all a little bit when I get home to start them, and then I'm gonna show y'all the before and after. So yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you be notified every single time I post an amazing video. Don't forget to watch and share my previous videos with your friends, your family, your dog. Y'all know the drill. Share those videos with everybody loves. So your girl DVEJU VU be popping. I love you so much, and stay tuned. We're in the beauty supply store, and let's go pick out the hair. I don't know what if they don't, I'm gonna be so irritated if they don't have the color, like, so irritated, but they should have it because it's the beauty supply store. It should never run out. So yeah, I'm about to go see what they got. Yeah. And then like this too.
But that only looks like it in the middle part. Looks like
I think I should get both.
okay.
2 of these and 1 of this.
Is that gonna be enough?
2X Max Volume Rubberband. 2 of these, 1 of this, and then 1 of these, and then 1 down there.
So you get a bunch of different colors?
They're kind of the same color, all of them.
Don't ask me, because you know.
2 of these, 1 of them. I keep saying 1 of these. I got some hair jewelry. These are so cute. It has the little hearts with the little diamond. Then I got the string. Yes, I can't wait. Y'all already saw the hair that I got, so yeah. Hey y'all, so this is my hair. As y'all can see, this is the braiding hair. And I feel like it's my color and it's gonna look really cute. I'm about to separate this hair right now, and then we're gonna get started. I can't see what I'm doing in the back. I'm only gonna do the first 3 in the back, and then I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. I'm gonna do the first 3 in the back on camera, and I'm gonna do the rest of my hair outside the camera. Then I'm gonna show you the before and after. So yeah. Okay, so this is my hair. This is how my braids look. This is how my parts are looking. I cannot part y'all in the back, so the parts probably look crooked, but for the most part they are even, and it's gonna look very cute. So yeah, let's get started. I have to separate these braiding hair evenly so it'll all be the same length, because I'm gonna do like jumbo-ish braids. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so this is the I should have had something to put this to the side with, but this is the first one I'm gonna do right here. So this is the amount of hair that I have. I'm gonna take the back, wrap it around. Uh-oh. Yo. I don't know why this hair is tangling, but this is beyond me. And this is one of the reasons why I said I wasn't gonna do this tutorial on YouTube, because first of all, I can't see myself, so I don't know what I'm doing. And with me trying to get this done, I don't want it to look raggedy, and I want to be able to see it, why it's tangling. But I'm probably just gonna do this first one on camera, and then like do the rest of them off camera. Let me see how it looks first. Okay, so it doesn't look bad, but I can see where it tangled up it. So I don't want the back to be tangled, so I'm gonna do the rest off camera, y'all. I'm sorry, I apologize. Well, I guess I could just do the other two for y'all on camera. This is my first time doing this too. So, yeah, this is interesting. But it's jumbo-ish. Alright, y'all, so this is what I have so far for the braids. I can't see the back, but this is how it's looking. And I'm really excited about how it has turned out so far. I have 8 sections left, but I only have 6 parts divided. So let's see if I can stretch this and make it work. But yeah, I'm about to do it. This process has been really simple, actually, and probably because I've braided my hair before. I just never did, you know, the rubber band method. So that's probably why it's not that hard for me. And plus I know how to braid too, so it's not difficult. But yeah, this is all I've been doing. And I needed to look in the mirror to make sure it's straight, because I can't see from this camera. Oh. I'm really struggling. So I'm using my phone to kind of see what I'm doing. I could have divided this up some more. It's too big. Okay, it's the same size. That was such a task. This is why I need to do this outside of the camera, because I can see. My phone not gonna stay because it's not filming. Okay, I need to look in the mirror. It's not gonna hurt y'all. So this is the final look. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm so happy the way it turned out. I wet the ends of my hair, so it's still wet with hot water. This is what it's looking like. I did my edges a little bit, the little that I left out. It's my whole entire head. It goes like kind of like to my, it goes to my waist, down my waist. But yes, I'm so glad that this turned out this way. I'm so excited. I used 3 packs of hair. There's all like 100% connector line hair from African Collection, a whole bunch of different other collections. That's gonna be in the link. No, the type of hair that I use will be in the description box. So check out the description box to see the color of the hair that I use. You can just like get it from your local beauty supply store. And now is the fun part. I'm going to be putting on this hair jewelry. And I'm so excited to put this on. I guess I'll put it on camera. And I set my phone up some type of way so I can see what I'm doing. But yeah, let's do this. I'm gonna set my phone up. Hopefully the camera moves. Wow, I look good. Ooh. Yes, I did so good. Wow. Okay, I wanna do this for y'all. Okay, I got it to stay some way. Y'all, these, I'm so excited to put these on. These are so cute. I'm gonna start with these, with the string. So I think I cut this, let me go get the scissors. Hopefully I don't cut enough. Okay, so I watched the tutorial on how to do this. So I basically just, okay, I'm gonna do this one. I basically just take this, you basically take it, literally wrap it around twice. Then you do it like this. Uh-oh, hair getting in my way. I don't know if it's, uh-oh. I don't think I'm just wrapping it around. How is it supposed to stay though? Do I go back up for it to stay? So that's that one. That was a bit of a task. I'm gonna do this one now. Harder than what it looks. Like they're harder to put on than when people make it look. Well, not hard, but takes some patience. African pride, African pride. Y'all, it's so cute. I'm only gonna do 2 with the strings because I don't really need to do a whole bunch with the strings because I got my other jewels too. Super excited to use these because let me show y'all. I've been raving about these since I saw them. So these have the little diamonds in it and it's like a heart. Super cute. So these, you just open it. And then clip. Oh my god! It's so cute. Wow. As y'all can see, I'm so excited because, oh no, I've never did this before. Like, this is so bomb. I left it in the back. Yay! This is so fun. Oh no, what's going on? Okay, so this is the final part. I'm looking at my phone. This is the final product of my hair. I'm so excited. I decided to do this. It's really cute. It's really fun. I've did this style before. If y'all like seeing how I do this, how I did this little thing on the journey with me, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to watch and share my previous videos with your friends, your family, catch your dog. Y'all know to share my videos with everybody you love. So your girl DVEJU VU could be popping. If y'all like this hairstyle, tell your friends and family, share this video, comment on it, tell me what y'all think, give me any suggestions. Yeah, this is really dope. I'm gonna take some pictures with my hair like this. So yeah, follow me on the gram so y'all can see. I love y'all so much, and I'll definitely see y'all in the next one. Bye.